Okay, so I blended everything in the Vitamix and it looked like mashed potatoes. And then I added a little bit of nutritional yeast because it just seemed like it would taste better with that. And then I blended it some more. And if you can see what it looks like, it's not smooth. And it tastes okay. Let me taste it again. Mm. Ooh, kind of lemony. Ugh, too much lemon. But I did exactly 2 tablespoons. Ah, I don't like the lemon, kind of tart. So, anyways, maybe I need a little bit more seasoning in this. It's definitely not smooth, so maybe I used the wrong blending machine. I don't know, or maybe it's not supposed to be smooth. But you could use it for. They say to put it on potatoes or use it like a butter spread. You can't put this on toast. Well, we'll see what happens. So, bye for now. Okay, so I found this scrambled tofu blend that has nutritional yeast, salt, onion, garlic, turmeric, parsley, paprika, marjoram, basil, oregano, thyme, rosemary, sage, celery seed, savory, black pepper, chili powder. That the Plant Journey people, Jill and Kathy, gave us to go. So I'm going to put a little bit of that in here. And now I added a little rosemary already, and I added a little bit more of the cauliflower because that lemony is just way too lemony. So let's see. Just want to find a little thingy. Just put a little bit in. That's a quarter of a teaspoon. It says tofu blend, but I don't know. It doesn't say tofu's in there, so I don't know if this. I don't think there's tofu in there, but I don't know what that means. Okay, so I'm going to do a little bit more blending. I don't think I should put the more miso paste in. I don't know. All right, I'm pausing. Be back soon. All right, well, I added a little water because I just felt like it's supposed to be a butter, right? Shouldn't it be smooth? And it was just coming up like choppy. So now it's a little bit smoother, but not like a spread. So let's taste it. I still taste the lemon, but not as bad. So, I don't know. I'm gonna have to, I don't know. Too much lemon. I even add a little bit more cauliflower to it and some water. But we'll see what happens. I'll put it away, I'll store it, and then maybe I'll use it and season it when I use it on something. Okay, so bye for now.